It might bite you. Don't put your hand out at it. Try petting its back. No. It has big wings, huh?
Ew.
Did it poop?
Yes.
Ew.
But then it
Why is its leg sticking up? Do you see that?
because.
Does it just want to use one leg?
Because it's hoppy.
Is it a hoppy bird? Oh, look, it put its leg all the way up.
Now it's putting his leg down. Congratulations!